Achieve Inbox Zero with Gmail filters and labels.
A cluttered inbox can feel overwhelming. Fortunately, Gmail's filters and labels make it easy to organize emails automatically. This guide walks you through practical strategies to create, customize, and combine filters and labels for a stress-free, zero-clutter inbox.
Creating essential Gmail labels.
Labels in Gmail act like folders, but with more flexibility. Start by listing your most common categories: work, personal, bills, subscriptions, or any topic relevant to you. To add a label, click More, then Create New Label in the menu. Use meaningful names and colors to make labels stand out and help you find emails quickly.
Building effective filters for automation.
Filters sort incoming emails automatically. Click the search bar, choose your criteria, like sender, keywords, or subject, and select Create Filter. Once set, filters can apply labels, archive, mark as read, or even delete emails. For example, filter all receipts to a finances label, or send newsletters straight to read later.
Combining filters and labels for maximum organization.
The real power comes from using filters and labels together. Create filters that assign labels based on sender, topic, or keywords. For example, emails from your boss get the important label, while shipping notifications go to orders. Review and update filters regularly to reflect new contacts and projects.
Tips for maintaining a zero-clutter inbox.
Regularly review your labels and filters. Remove outdated ones and fine-tune rules as your needs change. Use the archive feature to keep your inbox empty. Your labeled emails will always be just a click away. With the right setup, you'll spend less time sorting and more time focusing on what matters.